Hey, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by crypto charts, endless news feeds, or the constant hype on social media, you're not alone. The truth is, most traders lose money not because they're bad at trading, but because they're late. They react after the big moves have already happened. But what if you could see those moves coming before the crowd? What if you had a way to predict market movements by tapping into the emotions, conversations, and behaviors driving crypto prices? That's exactly what crypto sentiment analysis does. And today, I'm going to show you how tools like ZenChain AI make it simple, fast, and insanely powerful. Think about it. Every day, millions of traders post on X, Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. Whales move millions of dollars in and out of tokens. Influencers hype up projects. Fear spreads when bad news hits. All of this creates waves of emotion, bullish excitement or bearish panic that directly impact price action. The problem? Manually tracking all that data is impossible. You'd spend hours scrolling, guessing, and still miss the real signals. And by the time you act, the whales are already cashing out. This is where sentiment analysis comes in. Instead of guessing, you let AI do the heavy lifting. ZenChain AI scans social platforms, blockchain transactions, and whale wallets in real time. It compiles all that data into clear sentiment scores: bullish, bearish, or neutral. Imagine logging in and instantly seeing which tokens whales are buying right now, which projects are being dumped, what the overall market mood is: fear, greed, or hype. Social sentiment pulled straight from top crypto accounts. No more hours of research. No more chasing rumors. Just actionable insights in minutes. Let me give you a quick example. Say ZenChain AI shows whales injecting $48,000 into a new token with only 3,000 holders. That's a strong signal. You can click one button, see the contract, charts, sentiment, and decide if it's worth swapping in. Or maybe the sentiment dashboard shows extreme fear in the market while whales are quietly accumulating Ethereum. That's your chance to buy before the crowd flips bullish again. Students using this system have reported flipping $400 into $2,000, or making $19,000 in just a day and a half. And the best part? You don't need to be a chart expert or a full-time trader. Even beginners can follow the metrics and act with confidence. Here's why this matters for you. You save hours of research. You cut through noise and hype. You make smarter, faster decisions. You can trade from your phone on the go. Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or just looking for a side income stream, sentiment analysis gives you a way to participate in crypto without drowning in complexity. It's simple, addictive, and scalable. So if you've been waiting for a smarter way to trade, stop guessing and start knowing. Tools like ZenChain AI give you the unfair advantage of seeing what whales are doing, what the crowd is feeling, and where the market is heading, all in real time. You can get started today for less than dinner and a movie. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, there's literally no risk. The only risk is doing nothing and watching opportunities pass you by. All right, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment below telling me what coin you're most excited about right now. Remember, the market runs 24/7, but with sentiment analysis, you don't have to. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, and you focus on making smart moves. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay profitable, and happy trading.